So here's how to buy less than 400 Robux in Roblox. So for that reason, first of all, you need to go to your mobile phone. It could be Android, it could be iOS, but you need to go to your mobile phone. Then simply go to the Play Store or App Store and search for the Roblox here. And simply install it right after that. And then after installing it into your mobile phone, then simply open this up, log into your account. And then from here, you need to tap on this icon onto the right upper side. Simply tap on that and then it will take some time to load. So wait for some time. And if we scroll it down, and as you can see, we got 40 Robux option as well as the 80 and 400. But in the PC, you will only see the 400, not these 40 and 80 options. So that's how you can simply buy less than 400 Robux in Roblox. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.